All right, here we go with our next Prizm break. Full pack, full cards for 3 autos per box. Good luck to everybody in this one. Bowman Chrome Baseball PYT 694 is coming up next. Bowman Chrome coming up next. And then we end the night with our Don Ruffs Baseball. There's Eddie Collins, Cooper Pratt, Blake Mitchell, Juan Gonzalez, Dean Miller, Greg Yoho, Ante Nori out of 499, Chase Meridoff. Sensational signatures for the White Sox. Fazana, Gonzalez, Harry Ford, Juan Valero. Trey Savage, Shin Scott, Mike Schmidt, Carter Jensen, Brett Saberhagen, Tommy White, Paul Skeens. That's going to be out of 499. Walker Janik on the Red Wave. Red Waves are not numbered. Theo DeVries on the Dingers out of 199. Nolan Ryan, Buster Posey, Nick Kurtz. Alex Freeland. Seaver. Jacob Wilson. Edwin Encarnaciones. Walcott, Will Wagner. Albert Pujols on the red out of 299. Hideki Matsui on the silver. Jesus Mate. Darlin Susana. Loma Vita. And Carter Holton. Austin Bateman. Cole Emerson. Jesus Mate. TKO Roby. Yadier Molina. August Sawara. Kalen Culpepper out of 499. King Griffey Jr. silver. Tommy White. Jonah Tong. Matt Wieters. Kendall George. Nick Yorkie. Carmelo Waldschmidt. Joe Torre. Adam Jones. Churio. Darren Baker on the red out of 299. Dontrell Willis. Dylan Cruz. Colin Hawk. Dylan Railing. Chase Young. And Bowman Chrome PYT 694 is coming up next. With those guesses in for the player on the last auto in this one. Carter Johnson, James Wood, Kellen Lindsey, Don Mattingly, Sammy Sosa, Jake Arrieta, Ty Cobb out of 499. Josh Knopf for the Brewers. Other sensational signatures. Christian Moore, Theo DeRocha, Robin Ventura, Rhett Loader. Top logo we have here. And we'll continue on. We have 2 more breaks. Bowman Chrome up next. Don Russ Baseball Hobby at the end of the night. All right. Again, we will be live again on Tuesday, the 11th. Kevin Alcantara, Joe Jackson, Paul Konerko, Gary Sheffield, Sagasi, Enrique Bradfield, sensational signatures. One is out of 199. Randy Johnson on a purple out of 149. And Kinsler Red Wave, Dingers Vladimir Guerrero, Michael Young, Reggie Jackson, Ben Hess. Bryce Eldridge, Chandler Simpson, Lauter, Cal Ripken, Joe DiMaggio, Ty Cobb, Colin Hawk out of 199. Johnson Arroyo, Aiden Miller, King Griffey, we got Miles Naylor, Saki, Ethan Anderson, Pee Wee Reese, Augustin Ramirez, Sion Coe, Monty Irving, Andrew Painter, Enrique Bradfield out of 99, Miles Naylor on the silver, La Violet, Zach Veen, Bryce Matthews, Benito Santiago. Alex Gordon, King Griffey Jr., Jared Thomas, Enrique Bradfield, Roy Campanella, Hideki Matsui, Homer Bush on the blue out of 199, Jared Thomas, Cam Smith, David Shields, Alex Rodriguez, Roberto Clemente. The last two packs coming up. Connor Norby, Franklin Arias, Levi Wells, Dontrell Willis, Elston Howard, Mike Piazza, Brady Abel. Ooh, we got a 14 out of 75. And a Brady Abel 1 of 1. I'll follow that one. A gold vinyl 1 of 1. Brady Ebel or Ebel. See it right there. Ellen Lindsay, Vance Honeycutt, Josu DePaula, Deion Sanders. Our final pack of this break. Aaron Judge, John Smoltz, Whitey Ford, Tony Oliva, Paul O'Neill, Billy Martin, Braylon Payne out of 499. Sasaki on the silver, James Triantos, Seaver King, Bob Gibson, Christian Walder. Let's top load and recap. Our first 1 of 1 in quite some time. Nice to hit that. We got Bowman Chrome coming up next. Do a recap. We'll move on to Bowman Chrome. Then we got Don Russ Baseball after that. All right, here we go. Recap: Randy Johnson out of 149. Hawk out of 199. Ricky Bradfield out of 99. Homer Bush out of 199. Brady Abell out of 75. Braylon Payne out of 499. Dante Nori out of 499. Paul Skeens out of 499. Leo DeVries. Dingers out of 199. Albert Pujols out of 299. Kalen Culpepper out of 499. Aaron Baker out of 299. Ty Cobb out of 499. Chase Meredith. Josh Noth. Enrique Bradfield was the guest of the break. That was out of 199. And then we hit the Brady Abel 1 of 1 gold vinyl. And that will do it for this one. Nice box of Prizm. Move on to our Bowman Chrome. Title up for this one. This one is full. We had some